Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to WFES 2023. My name is Jethin Dutt and I am the technical expert for FusionSolar PV and ESS solutions, Middle East and Central Asia region. So here we are at the Huawei stall at the WFES event 2023, the first day. So let's have a look at what all products we are presenting here today in this exhibition. Let's go, let's have a peek. So apparently we are exhibiting a wide range of comprehensive set of product lines here today in the exhibition. And we have basically split these products into different categories based on the sector under which they are coming. So this is based on the end user and the scale of the products itself. The first section we have here got FusionSolar for sustainable business. So these are the products and solutions that basically caters the needs for commercial and industrial scenarios. And within the scenario, there are mainly three types of application scenarios that we have divided it into. The first and foremost one is the PV alone scenario. And then second, we have ESS alone scenario. And thirdly, we have PV plus ESS scenario. Moving on to the PV alone scenario, we have these cute little boxes here you can see. You can pick into that. So these are the boxes which we call as the PV converter or the inverter itself. And we have a wide range of inverter sizes ranging from 12 kilowatt to 115 KTL in this sector of CNI business. Moving forward, here we have a small model of our ESS solution. So under ESS, again, we have basically two types of solution. One is a cabinet-based solution, which we can see here, which is modeled into a smaller piece, but the actual one is quite a big one. So this consists of around 20 battery packs and giving a total storage capacity of 200 kilowatt hour. So any requirement ranging from say 200 kilowatt hour to 800 kilowatt hour, this product will cater the needs. And then we have a bigger one, which is a 20 feet container size, 1 megawatt hour solution, which is pretty much similar to what we have in the utility sector. So let's move to the utility part where we can jump into what we have in the power plants. Hi, so this is a region where we cater the requirements for utility scale solutions. FusionSolar for higher yields and optimal LCOE. That's what we have here. So in this section, again, we have three scenarios. The first one, the utility scale PV power plants. Then we have the ESS solution, utility scale again. Then we have the microgrid where we fuse together the PV and the battery system. On the PV scenario, here we have our big boy, which is the 330 KTL, and it's the biggest of all the inverters we have in our product line. So this guy gives an output of 330 kilowatt at a temperature of 30 degrees. But for this region where the sun peaks a bit harder, it would give a rating of 275 at 50 degrees. And this comes as a full solution, as you can see here, the the inverter, the transformer station, then the smart array control unit for the monitoring part, and then the platform for remote monitoring, which is the smart PV MS. That is about the utility scale PV power plant solution. Then we have here the smart PCS. So when I say smart, this guy is really smart. It's just not a word, because this guy is integrated with this most sophisticated and advanced AI algorithm into it, which gives it the capability to have a black start as well as forming the grid following the back start. And this is the same guy which is powering the Red Sea project, which is the world's largest energy storage system and the microgrid itself. So basically the whole of Red Sea is powered by this guy with the help of this guy. And when we come to the ESS system, this guy is the brain of the system. But he needs muscles and he needs the body, which comes from this system, which is the battery storage itself, which is the main storage part. So it is again a containerized solution having a capacity of 2 megawatt hours in each containers, having a total number of 126 pieces of battery packs here as shown in this model. Let me try to open it. Yeah, as shown in the model. So it's stacked up with 126 pieces of battery packs. And here you can see a real life demo of a battery pack, which is fit into this 20 feet container, giving a total storage capacity of 2 megawatt hours. Now, these battery packs are inbuilt with an optimizer, which ensures the safety and performance of each battery packs. So there are 126 optimizers in one container. And then within the container itself, 21 battery packs are connected together to form a string, which is connected to a pack optimizer. So there is multi-level of optimization and control to ensure safety and better use of the storage capacity that we have. So that basically summarizes the whole of, you can say, utility scenario, PV, energy storage, microgrid, with grid forming and black start capabilities as well. That is the key point to be noted. Now let's go home. Now, welcome to Fusion Solar for a better life. So these are our solutions for residential scenarios. So again, in residential scenarios, based on the applications, we have three types. One is the PV only solution. The second one is ESS only solution, then PV plus ESS solution. So first part on the PV solution, here we have the energy controllers. So here I'm not saying PV controllers or inverters. It's an energy controller. Basically because we have merged the function of a PCS and an inverter together here into one single product called the energy controller. So in short, you can connect both the PV panels as well as the batteries to this energy converter. So based on the application scenario you require, you can either connect PV alone or ESS alone or both together. That's one big advantage of the residential solution. So this thought we have put in our mind because it's our home, a place where we need to sleep peacefully. So we don't need to put a lot of equipments into your house. So that's why we try to make it as simple as possible. So, and then after the energy controller, we have some other extra components to ensure the safety of the system itself. Here we have this optimizer, smart optimizer. So this basically is fixed onto the PV module to ensure its performance. And if it is having any underperformance or say short circuit scenarios, it will immediately disconnect to ensure that it doesn't lead to a hazard. And after the optimizer, we have a magic box, I would say, because if there is no grid, still the system has an ability to form the grid and run the power equipment within the house itself. So this is possible with the help of this magic box, which is basically a backup box connected to our ESS system that can turn an on-grid system into an off-grid system. For the third one, you will have to open it here. And going forward, here we have a model of our battery energy storage system. So this comes in different stacks, which can be stacked up. One module is 5 kilowatt hour, and we can stack it up to 10 kilowatt hour, 15 kilowatt hour as per the need of the residential scenario itself. That pretty much summarizes the whole product line that we have for the coming years from Huawei Smart PV and ESS solution. And here you can visit us anytime during the course of the 3 days. Do visit us, go through the products, and if you have any questions, we can go in deep and discuss and see what is the best solution that we have to cater your requirement. Also, you can visit our website wherein all the details and data sheets of all these products are available. So looking forward to meet you all here. Signing off. Thanks a lot.